Welcome to Grandma's Wise Advice. Today, we're diving into 6 powerful questions that can make a woman irresistibly drawn to you. Let's be real, most men struggle to keep a woman truly engaged in conversation. Some overthink every word, while others freeze up like a deer in headlights when faced with someone they find attractive. And guess what? Women can sense that hesitation instantly. It's a major turnoff. You might have money, success, or looks, but if you can't create a conversation that sparks curiosity and emotional connection, you'll always be just another forgettable guy. Attraction isn't about what you have, it's about how you make her feel. If you can tap into that emotional pull, she won't just enjoy talking to you, she'll crave it. That's why today, I'm giving you 6 game-changing questions that will make her see you in a completely different light. The key? It's not about chasing her or seeking approval. It's about leading the conversation with confidence, like a true man in control of his emotions. A real man doesn't beg for attention, he naturally draws it in. So pay close attention, because once you start using these questions, she won't be able to stop thinking about you. Question number 1. What's the most attractive quality you look for in a man? This question is a goldmine. It's simple, yet it cuts straight to the core of what she truly values in a man. And the best part? Most guys never ask it. They're too busy trying to impress her, flexing their job, their car, or their physique, without ever getting into what actually makes her tick. But here's the thing. Women don't just fall for what a man has. They fall for how he makes them feel. And when you ask this question, you're not just making small talk. You're subtly making her picture the kind of man she wants in her life. Maybe she says confidence? Perfect. Now you know to own every word you speak. Hold her gaze a little longer, and exude that quiet, unshakable self-assurance. Maybe she values humor? Great, now's your chance to hit her with a well-timed joke and make her associate you with fun. Maybe she admires ambition? Then you naturally drop a line about your goals, showing her that you're a man on a mission. But here's where most guys screw up. They either ask too early, making it feel like an interview, or they ask in a desperate, approval-seeking way, hoping to fit into her mold. Wrong move. Instead, ask this playfully, like a man who's simply curious, not one who's looking for validation. When delivered the right way, this question puts you in control of the conversation, making her engage and work for your attention. Question number 2. What do you enjoy most about those close, intimate moments with someone you trust? This question isn't just about words. It's about opening a door into her mind and making her reflect on emotions and experiences she doesn't usually talk about. And here's the kicker. When a woman starts imagining a feeling while talking to you, she begins associating you with that feeling. That's how attraction works on a psychological level. Most guys never even scratch the surface. They stay stuck in surface-level chatter. Where are you from? What do you do? Boring, predictable, forgettable. But when you ask this question, you're doing something different. You're making her feel something real. Now, timing is everything. Drop this question too soon, and you'll come off as weird or overly eager. But ask it when the conversation has already built momentum, when she's engaged, when there's already unspoken chemistry between you, and boom, suddenly, she's opening up, reminiscing, feeling. A strong man doesn't force a moment. He creates the conditions where it can happen naturally. He doesn't chase emotions, he guides them. He doesn't beg for connection, he stands firm in his presence, letting attraction grow on his terms. When you ask this question, don't rush. Hold the silence if needed. Let her lean into it. Let her invest in the conversation. And as she speaks, observe. Does she light up when she talks about deep connection? Does she get excited describing playful intimacy? Whatever it is, she's giving you the key to unlocking a deeper attraction. Use it wisely. Question number 3. What do you value most in a relationship? Now we're getting into territory where most men fail. They never ask these kinds of questions because they're too caught up in surface-level fluff. What's your favorite movie? What's your dream vacation? Safe, predictable, and ultimately, boring. But when you ask, what do you value most in a relationship? You're flipping the script. You're telling her, I'm not here for small talk. I'm here for something real. And that's the kind of energy women notice. This question is a window into how she sees relationships and what she truly needs from them. Maybe she values loyalty, trust, or deep emotional connection. Maybe she admires ambition and drive. Whatever her answer, this question reveals whether you're actually compatible. And here's the brutal truth. Not everyone values the same things. Some women care more about security and attention than emotional depth. Some crave excitement over stability. This is where you have to be brutally honest with yourself. Is this what I want too? A strong man doesn't rush into something just because he's attracted to a woman. He observes. He listens. He discerns whether she aligns with his own values. If you two are on different pages, it's better to know now than waste time forcing something that won't work. Question number 4. What's the most attractive thing a man can do that drives you crazy? Now things start getting interesting. You've built rapport, the conversation is flowing, and it's time to turn up the heat. This isn't some random inquiry about her favorite color. This question taps into what really gets her attention. Maybe she loves a man who can make her laugh. Maybe she craves someone with raw confidence. Whatever it is, her answer gives you the roadmap to what excites her. If you have those traits, lean into them. Question number 5. What's something men do that absolutely annoys you? This question can easily backfire if you don't play your cards right. But when handled with finesse, it can spark a fun, engaging conversation. The key? Keep it playful. If she says, "I hate when guys act too cocky," don't get defensive. Flash a grin and say, "Phew. Good thing you haven't seen my last beach photo shoot." It's a joke, but it shows self-awareness and confidence, a rare combo that women love. Question number 6. Coffee or beer? At first glance, this seems simple. But when asked the right way, it's a game changer. Try saying, "All right, I've got a tough question for you." This builds suspense. Her answer isn't just about coffee or beer, it's about her vibe. Coffee suggests deep conversations. Beer suggests a laid-back, fun energy. And either way, you now have a perfect segue to suggest a real-world meetup. Final thoughts. The stoic mindset for attraction. Attraction isn't about trying to impress. It's about being deliberate, confident, and in control of the moment. If you master this, you won't just start conversations, you'll create connections. Now, if you're serious about taking your game to the next level, check out my next video. Top 3 forbidden compliments that make women obsessed with you. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. And before you go, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.